In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font size in Google Slides. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or simply working on a project, making sure your text is easily readable is essential. Let's jump right in and explore the steps to adjust font sizes quickly and efficiently. First things first, you'll want to open your Google Slides presentation. Navigate to the slide containing the text that you'd like to modify. It might take a moment for the presentation to load, but once it's ready, you're all set to proceed. Once the presentation is open, locate the text you're interested in changing. Simply click into the text box if you want to adjust all the text within, or highlight specific portions if you're looking to focus on particular snippets. This step ensures that the changes you make directly affect the text you intend to modify. Now let's direct our attention to the toolbar at the top of your screen, where you'll find the font size dropdown. By default, this is often set to 14, but it may vary depending on your prior adjustments or the template you're using. Click on this drop-down to bring up a menu of preset font sizes. If you're looking for a different size than the ones listed, don't worry, you can manually type in any number you choose. For example, you might want a larger font size like 32, 48, or even 72 if you're emphasizing headings or key points. Your selected size will apply instantly to the highlighted text, so play around and find what fits your presentation best. With that done, you'll see that the text updates right away. It's always a great idea to preview your slide to ensure everything looks just right. Adjusting the font size can make your content more impactful and your slides more aesthetically pleasing, which is key to an engaging presentation. For those who prefer a slightly different approach, there's an alternative method you can try. After selecting your text, look next to the font size box in the toolbar. You'll notice the plus, and minus font size buttons. These allow you to incrementally adjust your font size up or down, offering precision if you're looking for subtle changes rather than drastic ones. Experiment with these shortcut buttons and see how they can provide enhanced control over the appearance of your slides. This method is particularly useful when you're undecided on the perfect size, offering a quick way to preview slight changes. And there you have it, 2 simple methods to adjust font sizes in Google Slides. Whether you're manually selecting a specific size from the drop-down or using the handy shortcut buttons, these techniques will ensure your text is just how you want it. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.